Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will explain you how to make this part by using the Revolved Boss base in SolidWorks. I will also explain you how to use the thin features in the Revolved base and all the different features that Revolved base offers in SolidWorks. So let's begin. First guys, open a part file, click part and click OK because we are working in the part file. Here change the background to plain white and here specify the unit in which you want to work. Click on top plane, click on sketch and here select a center line. Make a vertical straight center line guys. Now press escape button and now select this circle and make here a circle. Press escape button. Now select smart dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of the circle. I am specifying here 25 mm. This is approximately 1 inch. And now select the center of this circle and this line, and here you need to specify the overall diameter of the ring. Let's specify as 75 mm. And now go to features and here is the Revolved Boss base. Click on it and this is automatically selected the axis of revolution. In your case probably it's not selected, so let me show you how to select this. Click on this window and select this vertical center line that we have created, and let me show you all the different features available in the Revolved Boss base. Here is the direction that is selected as blind, and this is the degree where we can change in the blind direction. This is 90 degree, and let me show you how it's gonna work. Let me specify the material. This is an optional stuff. Okay, so this is the 90 degree. Right click on it and let me show you by deleting this. Right click on it and edit sketch. Let me now explain you how to use the thin feature. So go to Revolved Boss base again, and this right here is the thin feature, and here I would like to specify 2 mm the thickness and 90 as degree, and here is the thin feature that I was talking about. Here is the 2 mm thickness. Let me just update it to 3 mm, and let me explain you the material and the material out. This is the material in and material out. Actually this blue color is our circle diameter. This is material and material out. So this would definitely affect the diameter of the pipe. So check this box from here, and now let me show you some more features of it. And here we can update the degree. Right now it's 90 degree. If I can specify a 180 degree or any other degree you like, within 0 to 360 you can specify it, 270 degree, and here is the 360 degree. So this is all about the Revolved Boss base guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.